Hello friends, a very warm welcome to Ichche Aahar. Today I will show you how to make Gobindo Bhog Chaaler Payesh or rice pudding. It is a very popular traditional Bengali dessert. It is also called rice kheer or poromanno. In every Bengali household, Gobindo Bhog Chaaler Payesh or rice pudding or rice kheer holds a very special position because without this special dessert, any celebration like birthday, annapration or first rice eating ceremony of a child, marriage or any celebration is incomplete. It is a very delicious dessert and it smells really sweet. If you like my today's video, then like it and share it with your friends and relatives and subscribe my channel Ichche Aahar and click the bell icon to get quick updates of my new videos. Now friends, let's see what ingredients are required for making Gobindo Bhog Chaaler Payesh or rice pudding or rice kheer. Milk maximum fatty 500 ml. Gobindo Bhog rice 40 to 50 grams but not more than 50 grams. Sugar 4 teaspoon or as per your taste. Cashew nuts 25 grams. Raisins 25 grams. Pista or pistachios 5 grams. Cardamom 2 pieces. Saffron, few threads of saffron. Bay leaves 2 pieces. Now let's see the procedure of making traditional, authentic, very popular Bengali dessert Gobindo Bhog Chaaler Payesh or rice pudding. First boil the milk on a pan for 4 minutes. I took a bowl and steeped few threads of saffron in lukewarm milk and kept it aside for few minutes. Now add cardamoms and bay leaves to the milk and stir for 1 minute. Now add washed Gobindo Bhog rice to the milk and stir the milk for 15 to 20 minutes until the rice softens. Now you can see that the rice is almost cooked. So now add sugar to the milk and stir for 3 minutes. Now I can see that saffron has released its wonderful color and aroma, so now add it to the boiling milk so that the payesh or rice pudding becomes even more tastier and marvelous in appearance. Now add raisins and some cashew nuts to the milk, then boil and stir the milk for 5 to 7 minutes on a low flame unless a thick and creamy consistency appears. Now you can see the thick and creamy consistency. So now payesh or rice pudding is totally complete. So now I will garnish it with some chopped almonds, cashew nuts, raisins and some rose petals. See the way I have garnished it? You can serve it hot, but it is best served when chilled. Thanks for watching my video. I will again come with a new recipe video. So bye for now. Take care and have a nice day.